Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Check out that spoiler in the back. The duckbill spoiler is not installed. It's still got the factory one on there, a small one. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to actually install this one properly, of course. See, the small one's going to be coming off, so I'll show you guys how to remove the bottom one as well. If you're my new subscribers, thanks for tuning in, and appreciate for subscribing. Thanks for joining the channel. And if you haven't subscribed and you've been watching my videos, consider subscribing. I appreciate the support. It helps out a lot. It doesn't cost you anything. And yeah, let's just get to it. You just need a flathead, I would say, and two Gorilla double-sided tape to cover the whole area around it on this, and a heat gun. But today the weather's really nice. So this is already like super warm, so I wouldn't need a heat gun. But that works. Just in case, still have one hair dryer or something. All right, so you want to go ahead and remove those 10 push tabs right here. These guys, literally right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there in the bottom. Two in the bottom right there, same thing. This side, I just need a flathead in there, and it pops right open. Right there is a small spot in there, right in the middle. Just pop it out and it comes right out. Remove these first. All right, so the liner's off, and you see that small bolt over there in the back, right there. That's gotta come off. So you use a 5/16 socket. That should remove it. That's one in that corner, and one in that corner right there. And focus on it. Yep, right there. That one. And then once those are removed, you would use a needle nose plier to kind of squeeze these in, these clips right here, and it'll pop back out. The same thing over there. So, and I believe there's one in the corner as well, and there's one in the middle right there, white. There's one right there, another one's right there, and as you can see in the corner, right past that, the bolt, nut. Trying to focus on it, but it's a little, there you go, right there. So it's that one right there. They're in the corner as well too. All right, so same thing on this side. There's one behind this. Yeah, you would just use that. At the same time, when you're squeezing those clips, you want to make sure you go ahead and push these out, like kind of push this outward so it pops out. And you can put like a plastic trim tool to kind of hold it there for you, like a piece of cardboard. If you got a friend with you, they could help you kind of pull it outwards while you go ahead and squeeze each clip, and it pops right out. And there's going to be a little bit of 3M tape over here. There's going to be a little bit of tape over here that will come off easily. So just pop these out first, and then you'll be able to remove this tape from the side. And let's go do that, and we'll see how it looks after that. All right, so when it's time to remove the nut, you want to make sure you go slowly, and you kind of, because you don't want to drop that. You want to kind of, you see, I feel like I'm going to drop it, so I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to grab my magnetic tool. It's like a small, you know, like extendable tool. I'm just going to grab that with the bolt with the magnet so I don't drop it down. So I'm going to use that right now. So this is what I got. And it's gonna extend a little bit. My buddy's gonna go ahead and pull out a little bit slowly, and then I'll grab this guy over here. Go ahead, bro. Pull out slowly. Actually, spin it a little bit more. Actually, no, I got it. Pull out. So, oops. See that? Got it. All right, now we gotta get the needle nose plier and get the clips out. All right, once it's removed, this is what you're gonna find. See that little bit of a tape over there I was talking about? That, and a little bit on this side as well. And then what's next is grab some rubbing alcohol and clean the surface right here. Finally, pot's clean. Next step is going to be applying this Gorilla 3M tape on the spoiler, make sure you guys grab a few because you're gonna need it at some point for other modifications as well. So it doesn't hurt to buy extra, but we're definitely gonna need both because I'm gonna do the tape all around it, around the spoiler, and I'll show you how it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and put my Amazon affiliate link in the description below for these as well. We'll go from there. I get a small commission, of course, super small, not an extra cost to you guys, just helps you guys out to go get the link directly from that spot. And yeah, let's do it. All right, so the prep work is done. Put a little bit of 3M tape here to kind of seal the holes. You can also use, if you have a black car, of course, you can use vinyl. Make a nice circle for the vinyl wrap. Put the vinyl wrap, or I would say this or vinyl wrap, but make sure you guys heat up the vinyl wrap so it sticks really good and not come off, you know. And then you don't have to take off the 3M, the double-sided tape on this side. You don't have to take that off, just let it be. That's that. And then as far as showing this side right now, as far as the prep work on this side, we use one edge over here. The tape finished over here, so I had to put a small strip here. We went all the way across. Of course, it's a little bit flexible, so you guys could definitely do a little bit flex on the side. And then here, small strip right there, and long strip going all the way across, just like that. And then what you want to do is at first just remove this side. I'm going to take this side as well because it's a small strip. I don't want to leave it there. Let's remove this side, and remove this over here up to like this much, and tape it on the back side. So then when I'm ready to kind of push it all together against the trunk, I'm just going to pull it all out just like that, and then press it against it. And same thing on this one. I'm going to go ahead and put it over here, and then the rest I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out once I'm ready to seal it on the trunk, I would say. So this would be my guiding point right here. Just remove these two. I wouldn't remove this if it was a full strip, but remove this one, remove that one as a guiding position. Once I know I'm on set, it's good, then I will pull those two strips just like that. All right, so this side, once you have it prepped, as you can see, put some tape here to kind of hold it. You kind of want to feel these two bumps right here on the side. This bump and this one right here. So when you try to go ahead and install it, you want to go ahead, as you can see, it's on a little bit up. And once you feel that stop in the center, on the center, you're going to feel it, you want to stop. You don't want to push forward anymore. You want to slowly let it sit, and you want to feel the bottom edges right here. You want to feel that and make sure it's just going to be against it right here, flushed. It doesn't have to be exactly with it, touching it, but it's right next to where you feel like the gap is closed over here. That's what you want to make sure. Then it'll sit, because once you press it down, it will sit tight with the trunk, so a little bit groove over there. You just want to make sure you want to feel those two spots when you're installing it. So it looks good to me. Yeah, it looks good to me. And then over here, I know I'm going to need a little bit of space over here, so I'm just going to go ahead and slide it a little bit to the left. All right. You want to constantly check this, because you don't want to mess it up. Alright, I got a little space there, and a little bit of space here. Alright, looks good. And then when you place it down, don't press it too hard. You want to make sure the spacing is on this side, the same thing on this side as well. It looks good to me, so I'm just going to go and stick this side a little bit. Alright, this is good as well. So I already stick this side here. Don't hit it too hard because we have to pull this out. You want to run your fingers through the line here, make sure there's no gaps or anything like that. anywhere. Nope, that's good. So what you want to do next is go ahead, peel this off. Careful. Get the bottom, not the bottom one yet. See where the line moves? That's where you want to be careful, because then it kind of gets stuck. That's why I still have to press it down. So it's completely out. And just rechecking my sides before I press it down, in the back as well. And looks just want to feel for gaps or anything like that with the fingertips. And oh, you dropped the phone. And there's a very slight gap over here in the bottom, so I'm definitely gonna push this end a little bit forward, and that fixes it right there. All right, so that's that. And then you want to go ahead and grab this one. Just lift it a little bit upwards, and you kind of pull outwards, just like that. So now you got full coverage, no breaks anywhere like that. Last time, feel for any gaps. I'm good. So if you're good to go, just go ahead and press this inward from the sides, of course, first. And then I usually use my my body weight, not all of it, just a little bit, like my chest area. Kind of press the middle part down. That helps it. Make sure the surface is warm. It's a perfect day for this, so. And not too hot either, like 75 degrees I would say, 70, 74, 75, whatever. 70, 75 degrees is really good. I feel like warm, or you could touch it for at least like 10 seconds or more. But if you feel like your hands are burning in like 5 seconds, don't do it. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. This is a super in-depth video. It's a little long, but hey, helps you save a couple hundred, right? And at least you know what you're doing. Alright, so just kind of hold there for like a minute or so, and then kind of move in the middle area, the back side, and again, repeat it for like 2 minutes, and you should be good to go. We'll see how it looks at the end. That's good. Alright, so that's how the spoiler looks at the end. Looks really great. Just like that. That's it, fam. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit that bell icon to be notified of upcoming content. Peace out until next time.